Hi everybody, this is Alicia Geck, Presidential Diamond with It Works. I'm going to do a quick video today to just kind of show you how you can make money with It Works in your first 30 days and just why being an It Works distributor is what allows you to dream again and what allows you to earn the money that you've never thought that you could and just why it is my passion. So here we go. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're actually going to purchase your startup kit for $99. This includes a box of wraps. So you're going to have 4 wraps. You could actually go ahead and retail those 4 wraps. One wrap we usually retail between $25 and $30 a piece. So with that being said, 4 wraps is going to earn you $100. So there you have actually already came back from the money that you've just spent and have no money invested or profited at this point. You're at $0. So purchase your startup kit, sell your 4 wraps, and we're going to go on to the next step. There are 3 simple steps, one of which is what we just talked about, and basically that's becoming a distributor. The second step is finding 4 people who want to purchase the products, use the products, and get discounts. All right, so your mom, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your friend, your coworker, whoever that might be, 4 people who want to purchase the products and get a discount. Your third step is 3 people who want to do that, but they want to make money with you. So they're actually going to sign up as a distributor as well. So that's 7 people. So let's go ahead and break down those 7 people. All right, the first one is, like I said, get 4 loyal customers. By going and getting 4 loyal customers in your first 30 days, you're going to earn $120 in free product. If you opt to get boxes of wraps, you're going to actually earn 8 wraps for free, and you can sell those 8 wraps and profit at least $200 cash. The second thing you're going to get is 2 applicator rewards. As a distributor with It Works, we earn an applicator reward for every 2 loyal customers that we ever sign on into this business. So an applicator reward is a box of wraps, 4 wraps for $25 a piece. That's $75 cash profit you can make by going and selling those wraps. So that's $150 cash profit you're going to make. For a combined total of just going and getting those 4 loyal customers, you're going to profit $350 by going out and selling the wraps that you've just earned for free or little to nothing. Okay, the next step is going to get in 3 distributors. All right, so with a distributor, you bring on and you sign on and you help build their business and they join your team. You will earn a fast start bonus for helping them get started, which means when they go get 2 loyal customers, you are given $100 cash bonus. All right, so if you go get 3 distributors in your first 30 days, that's $300 profit that you're going to earn. All right, so for every distributor that you ever sign to join your team and they get 2 loyal customers, you will be given $100 for each one of those. All right, so let's just do a quick recap. All right, so you purchased your kit, you paid $100, but you sold your wrap, so you're at 0. The next step was to go get 4 loyal customers, and you did that, and with your free products and your app rewards, you went ahead and you sold those wraps, and you made $350 cash profit. The third step, you went ahead and you went and got your 3 distributors, and they got their 2 loyal customers, and in return, you were given $300 cash profit. Plus, you're going to make commission on every single one of these orders. You're going to make commission on loyal customers and distributors. So, for a combined total of $650 profit in your first 30 days. And it's so simple. It's just by going and getting those 7 people that we just talked about. 4 loyal customers, 3 distributors. That's it, guys. That's all it takes is 7 people. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, be sure to go back to the person that gave you this video or you can find myself on Facebook at it's Alicia Geck or at Rep Slim. Thanks, guys.